Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing well. I wanted to inform you that I have come up with a new course called Notebook LM for Beginners. If you have watched my previous videos, I have made like 8 to 9 videos on this topic. This is one of the key AI tools that you can use in your daily life. I'll give a quick introduction about what this tool is about and then I will play a video. So, what is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is a note-taking and research tool created by Google. It uses artificial intelligence to help you understand your notes, ask questions about your content, summarize long text, and generate ideas and outlines. LM means language model. So, what kind of content can you upload in Notebook LM? You can upload Google Docs, PDFs, notes from your project or research, study materials, YouTube links, and MP3 files. So, what can you do with Notebook LM? You can ask questions about your uploaded documents. You can summarize chapters or long articles. You can brainstorm ideas and write outlines. And you can keep all your information in one place to learn faster and work smarter. Let's say, for example, if you can upload 20 pages report, okay, upload 20 pages report, and if you type a simple prompt saying that what are the key points in this report, it is going to generate all the information in seconds. So, who can use it? It can be used by students, professionals, writers, and anyone who wants to work with a lot of information. So what are the key benefits? It saves time, it makes learning easier, it helps you stay organized, it offers personalized insights, and it can work with your own materials. So it acts like a tutor that knows your notes. So final thoughts. Notebook LM is not just a notebook, it is an AI powered thinking partner that helps you do more with your ideas, your writing, and your research. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to Udemy and I'm going to play the video. So once you go to Udemy and type in the search box Google Notebook LM for Beginners, you will see the list of courses here and you will find my course right here. So if you click on it, it will take you to this page. Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Google Notebook LM Beginners course. My name is Naresh. I am the instructor for this course. Are you tired of wasting hours searching through articles, PDFs, and notes, only to end up overwhelmed and stuck? What if you had an AI research assistant that could instantly organize your sources, summarize key points, and give you exactly what you need in minutes, not hours? In this course, you will discover how to turn scattered information into clear, actionable insights. You will learn how to feed Notebook LM your documents and get concise summaries, powerful connections between ideas, and even audio or video overviews so you can absorb information anywhere, whether you are at your desk or on the move. This is not just about learning a tool, it is about boosting your productivity from day one. Imagine cutting your research time in half, getting answers without drowning in information, and staying focused on what truly matters. By the end of this course, you will have a research companion that works for you, making your projects faster, your work sharper, and your ideas clearer. So stop wasting time Start working smarter. Enroll now and make your research effortless. See you in the course. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So I have what I've done is I have mentioned the link in this video description. So if you click on that link, it will take you directly to this page where if you want to enroll, you can enroll in this course. AI is making a lot of difference in the last couple of years. So if you want to increase your productivity and if you want to learn new things to stay up to date, then this course is going to help you a lot. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.